So hi guys, welcome to today's video. This is the fifth installment, the final part of me testing out the Sephora Favorites Lash to Go. So I already tested out the Anastasia, the Marc Jacobs. I don't know how to say it's the Marc Jacobs, sorry. I just tested out the Anastasia, the Lancôme, the Milk, the Allier. I'll have all the videos linked above, in the cards above. The two, by the time this fifth one goes up, I already had the first two live. I'm trying to do my Rouge video, but haven't gotten to it yet. Trying to get the Marc Jacobs out is Biba. So on my eyes today, I did a second look with a Natasha Denona Love palette. And I turned out a little bit better than the look I put on, because I also played with because I like to play with the brown, so I went in with the Biba palette. The look turned out a little bit better than I previously played with it, so that was like kind of first impressions, get to know the palette type thing, and then this is the look I came up with it after. So I think I like this look better than I did when I did that look the first time. So where was I? Okay, so I tried all of them so far, except this Marc Jacobs is not the first impressions on it. Everything else I have never played with it. I'm seeing if my opinion changes on the Marc Jacobs. That's for sure. I played with the Allier again, the other one with my Natasha Denona palette. I'm gonna see if my opinion changes on the Marc Jacobs, because I repurchased this a few times, but I haven't bought it in a few years. So I've been more like into like the collab, the Loreal. More on the drugstore side, but this one though, one looks familiar, which I know I've seen a lot of ones looking like that. Trying to figure which one it was. I think it might have been close to L'Oreal maybe, or not those ones, so I'm going in with Marc Jacobs. It's a nice sunny day out here in BC. So today I don't have to work. So like right now at the current, I don't like doing mascara reviews on my Fridays at work because I've discovered, I said in the past while here, is that that's wearing a mask at work and working in the freezer and that, I found that my mascara tends to run, so I give it a fair shot on doing it on days where I don't have to be like, I'm not in the freezer for like a half hour at a time getting frayed, or in and out of the freezer getting frayed or getting thawed. So the days where I'm doing the manager shift for those days, I'm like, give it a fair shot, it's not fair. So I highly, if you want a good waterproof mascara, I highly recommend the Loreal Paradise. So far, it's the only type of waterproof. I really like L'Oreal in general. So my impressions, dang, she's so good as I used to try her all the time. So gonna see you guys later on. Hours later from, well, I'm back from several hours later for my wear test of doing the Marc Jacobs mascara. Still got mascara on, still looking good. So for these are like my the Lancôme, the LA, and the Marc Jacobs are the three that I enjoyed out of the 5 out of this kit. 2 of them are no-go, and the 3 of them, yeah, it's like, Marc Jacobs is just as good as it's always been, as I remember. I always like it. So I'm gonna continue trying these 3 out, seeing which one I like the best. The Lancôme, the LA, I'm probably butchering that name, but yeah, I'm gonna keep on trying the 2, the 3, seeing which one I like the most of them. So, and also I'm gonna add in, so my small Sephora order finally came in. I got my Rouge sale. I picked up a new Sol de Janeiro foot fetish care or foot cream. Love this stuff. I already opened up. I got another Beauty Blender Bounce. It's on sale right now, half price, $27. Highly recommend this one. This is my 3rd one of this one. And then 2 of them are repurchases and 2 are, and I actually got 2 new products. And I'm gonna be showing, put one of them away already. So I bought a Pat McGrath Mothership palette. This is the Mothership Divine Rose 2. And then I got a YSL Touche Lacroix Matte Stain in color 16. I'll show you guys the color. It's a very ashy color. I'm going to be doing a word test of this one soon. How long it lasts. And then I'll show you this beauty here. This is the Pat McGrath palette right here with those colors. That color right here is like duochromish color. I'm like dying for that color to play with it. It looks so wickedly cool. It's like a pink and then go all green, like a duochromish color. I'm like, I want to play with this one, but I'm like retaining myself not to. I'm gonna do first impressions on this palette coming soon. So that's some of the stuff I picked up from Revlon so far. So yeah. Oh. And this is the limited, that one's like same as a limited edition color. So normally they're like a pack, a blackish color, black case. So like I got this Pat McGrath palette right here. So none of them is like completely different colors from what I have here. So yeah, I'm gonna be playing that one soon. Putting them away. And then the eye look I'm wearing right now is the Natasha Denona, especially update on it. This phase, it'll make sure you use an eye primer. Lasts a lot longer. Like I noticed it like right away when I forgot to put the eye primer on yesterday. It didn't last as long as it normally does. So in that video, I'll mark down below, and I'll be playing with it more tomorrow since I got to work. So yeah, I highly recommend the Marc Jacobs. It's not first impressions on that one. I have to see like, do I still like it? So yeah, so I'll let you guys know down the road which mascara I pick up with the kit. I'm trying to figure out how I managed to get to, because one's on French on one side and one's English on the other. Yeah. Yeah, so see you guys in the next one. So please subscribe, ring the bell. I got new videos every Wednesday and Friday at 10 AM PST, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!